La 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 la.
Hi! What's wrong with you? Ugh, so annoying. Today I have... Oh, what a tiring day. All right, hold on a sec. I'll cook for you. Thank you, Daisy.
Chicken. Salt. Pepper. Paprika. Cheese. Egg. Flour. Golden breadcrumbs.
Hey, stay right there!
No way! Bet you can't catch me.
Hey, hey, hey! Uh-oh!
How dare you guys? Don't do that next time, okay? Hick, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh, looks funny. Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
La 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 la.
What's that? Oh, a recipe. Awesome. I'm going to cook now. First, let's make the sauce. All right, let's get started.
Passion fruit. Soy sauce. Honey. Cornstarch. Salt. Sesame oil. Garlic. Rice. Water.
Next is the most important step. We need salmon. Hey, Cat. Go buy me some salmon, please.
Okay, Daisy. Beetroot. Avocado. Seaweed. Oil. Crab stick. Spiral fish cake.
can't stand.
Daisy!
Thank you so much.
Salmon!
Oh no! I just got hit in the face with a tomato. That means you're officially part of the party. Come on! Come on!
Yay!
No mercy in La Tomatina! There are still a lot of tomatoes. Aha! I have an idea. Let's go home and make tomato pie dip.
Tomato! Salt. Onion. Mayonnaise. Cream cheese. Cheese matza. Onion powder. Worcestershire. Hot sauce. Pepper. Cheater. Coriander.
I need to go buy bread. Yeah, I got it! I want to take this.
Thanks.
Let's go back home.
Bread. Butter. Sugar.
Hey, stop ruining my garden! Stop right there! Don't even think about escaping! Arg! These chickens are crazy! All right, time for some magic. Haha! Perfect! Now I've got dinner!
Chicken. Salt. Pepper. Flour. Garlic powder. Milk. Egg. Potato starch. Turmeric powder. chili powder.
Oil.
Sticky.
Oh no! Sorry, Kitty. Here, take a jar.
Okay. Daisy, Daisy, I bring it for you.
Haha, you're a mess. Thanks for the honey. Now, go take a bath, buddy.
Okay.
Honey.
Lemon. Sugar. Cornstarch. Water.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.